Yeah, sanibonani bafowethu. Njengoba nibona nje ukuthi le video ngiyifilma kusebusuku. Ngakho sekushaya ngisho 12 manje. Kodwa before ngilale, ngibona ukuthi ake ngithinte le topic abantu abaningi ahlezi beyibuza bephikisana ngayo. Kunale emergence of AI, ama-AI tools, AI, artificial intelligence. Baningi abantu banama-opinion amaningi regarding lama tools. Afika nje maybe 5 years ago, abanye bazothi no, even ngama-90s, ngama-70s besinawo lama-AI tools kodwa abekwenye iform. Kodwa-ke le ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje, lama-AI tools aqhamuka in a form of software such as ChatGPT, kukhona Gemini, kukhona DeepSeek. Maningi ama-AI tools noma aqale ukuba popular maybe during lockdown or post lockdown. So ngifuna ukuzama ukuveza from ama perspective ahlukahlukene ukuthi should we be worried ngayo i-artificial intelligence. Baningi abantu abanye ba-against yona, abanye ba-for yona. So mina-ke ngihlezi izinto ngiyidivide kabili. Kuhlezi kukhona abantu abama-consumers something, bese kukhona aba-producers of something. So lento uma uyibuka from a consumer perspective, kakhulukazi work wise or academical wise, ukuthi ama-student amaningi asebenzisa lama-AI tools ukuthi awa-assist kuma-assignment awo, or abanye basebenzisa ama-AI tools for ama-study purposes. So from the work perspective, still kusama-consumers. So uthola ukuthi abantu abama-technician nabanye abasebenza kumsebenzi related to leyo baba naleya fear ukuthi lama-tools sooner or later azo-occupy lama-position bawa-possessayo kule msebenzi abayisebenzayo. So uthola ukuthi abantu aba-against AI, kakhulukazi ama-academics, banale fear ukuthi izo-undermine i-intelligence nomsebenzi ne-credibility ye-institution ne-student. So uthola ukuthi that's why be-against yona, ukuthi no, why yenza impilo ibe lula ngale ndlela yokuthi umuntu usephasiswa yiyona i-AI, kanti inhloso ye-institution such as ama-universities ukudevelopha i-critical thinking yomuntu. Kodwa mase yena yonke into eyenzelwa yi-tool, leyo nto ibuke ingabi yinhle. Kodwa-ke kunenye perspective engiyithandayo engifuna abantu bayibuke lama-tools ngayo le perspective, okuyiyona engibona i-more beneficial, engiyisupporta kakhulu ukuthi no, instead ukuthi ube against ama-tools, ngoba ama-tools awayindawo ekugcineni, asebenzise kwi-advantage yakho lama-tools. So for business perspective, uthola ukuthi kunabantu abaningi aba-create content, bathole ama-views besebenzisa wona lama-tools. Kulabantu abanama-business, ama-digital businesses noma abenza i-dropshipping, so ukuthi ama-websites basebenzisa i-AI, ama-tools ukuthi ayirane le website. Abanye basebenzisa even AI ukuthi benze research mayelana nama-products akuyiwona ascalayo noma adayisa kakhulu. So uthola ukuthi kuleli side le-quadrant ama-AI tools bawabona as i-opportunity ukuthi no, lana ngikwazi ukuthi ngiscale ibhizinisi lami, ngakwazi ukuthi ngiyisebenzise le tool kwi-advantage yami ukuthi ngiwine ngayo le tool. So uthola ukuthi ahlulana kanjani ama-perspective. La abanye uthola ukuthi umuntu uba ne-fear ukuthi no, lento izobulala izwe, ngoba uthola ukuthi even through i-AI tool maningi information e-wrong engaspreadeka kwi-media ngawo lama-tools lawo. So abantu baba neleyo fear. Kodwa-ke i-perspective yami noma i-view yami ithi no, lama-tools asebenzise ngoba awayindawo ekugcineni, awayindawo. so asiwasebenzise kule advantage yethu ukuthi siwine ngawo. So kodwa academically no, ngingawu-discourage kakhulu, kodwa for business wise mhlawumbe kukhona into ofuna ukuyi-understand, khona into ofuna ukuyibuza, khona into engayazi. Amanye-ke aware ukuthi asho izinto inaccurate, ama-AI tools kumele ube aware, kodwa while uwasebenzisa kumele uzame ukuthi ube aware ngalezo zinto, kodwa asebenzise ku-advantage yakho ukuthi uwine ngawo lama-tools lawo, yabona. So yeah, yilokho nje ebengifuna ukukuthinta mayelana nama-AI tools, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi abantu abaningi sebe-confused, banama-opinions abaningi. Abanye abantu abekho even ngisho aware ukuthi kule AI ekuyiyona epopular kakhulu ebizwa ngo-ChatGPT, khona OpenAI, khona ChatGPT. So abantu bamanje ukuthi I know OpenAI still kusayi-AI tool nayo, but no, OpenAI inkampani, then ChatGPT i-product ye-company, such as the product esanda kuphuma khona futhi kule nkampani yethu i-OpenAI okuyi-Sora 2, okuyi-AI tool esetshenziselwa ukugenerate ama-video. Basazoyibona nje abantu ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ayikafiki eSouth Africa, so isakumanye ama-countries, ama-Western countries kakhulu, nama-Asians ayi-few. So isazofika eSouth Africa, and futhi kade isakwi-iOS, kodwa manje nakwi-Android ngibonile ama-post yabo bethi no, isifile nakwi-Android. So AI tool esetshenziselwa uku-create ama-video, even nayo futhi business wise baningi abantu abasebenzisa wona lama-AI tools ukupromote ama-products abo, yabona, benza ama-video, ama-tools ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bawaposte kwi-media lama-products. So injalo nje i-perspective yamayelana nama-tools. So ngoba wayindawo egcineni, so akusizi ukuthi uyigxeke into. Ngikhumbula nje kune-quote engayazi exact ukuthi ichaza ukuthini, engayazi exact ukuthi isuke ithini, Charles Darwin, a man who propounded the theory of evolution, ethi it is not the strongest species who survive. It is not the strongest species who survive, but the one who is able to adapt to change. So ngamanye amazwi angiyazi cause exactly bengawubheka ku-Google ukuthi umuntu akubona abantu aba-strong abakwazi ukuthi ba-survive empilweni, kodwa umuntu okwazi uku-adapta nokushintsha kwezinto makwezimo. So akusizi ukuthi i-AI lokhu uyigxeka ngoba yindawo ekugcineni, technology ya-advance, ukuthi isebenzise kwi-advantage yakho, ngoba ekugcineni uzofa vele, uzofa, iqhubeke i-AI, iqhubeke, izoba khona, ayindawo. So akusizi ukuthi uyigxeke noma ube critical enkulu yayo i-tool, yabo, ukuthi uyisebenzise. Lento ifana noma ngale ngathi kufika amafoni. So ngathola ukuthi nje ngalezi ayikhathi abantu ababethola amafoni unusual to bona, babebeka ama-perspective amaningi ahlukene. No, lento izokwenza ukuthi, lento izokwenza ukuthi, lento izokwenza ukuthi, isafika ifoni noma ngathi ama-smartphone earlier kule century. So abantu abaningi bazothi no, ifoni izokwenziwa no-2 no-3, kodwa uthola ukuthi buka manje almost mhlampe 9.9% womhlaba usebenzisa ama-smartphone manje, noma 98, ngoba khona abantu still abanganawo amafoni, ama-smartphones. Ungasho ukuthi 95, at least 95% emhlabeni usebenzisa ama-smartphones. So i-argument yomuntu wayethi kudala no, lento ngoba ngenxa yokuthi abantu phela into yenza ukuthi babe against kakhulu ama-tools, especially abantu abakuma-African continent nama-Asian countries or ku-Latin America, kumanye ama-continent bacashelwa ukuthi lama-tools aqhamuka from ama-Western countries, ama-Western nations. So bacabanga ukuthi lama-tools azosetshenziswa to colonize ama-minds alama-continent amanye. So bacabanga kanjalo ukuthi no, lama-tools to colonize noma to continue to influence the world, lama-tools azosetshenziswa lokho. So and futhi bayakwazi ukwa-manipulate i-algorithm yawo ukuthi aphushe i-Western ideology. So ngi-aware ngalokho futhi. So that's why abantu abaningi be-against lama-tools, and futhi ngakupromotha nokuthi even nathi siyi-continent kungamele sizame ukuthi sibe nama-tools ethu esizokwazi ukuthi siwapromote abe kwi-global market, yabona. Kodwa so far ngoba engekho ama-tools esisawadevelopile, mengikhuluma nomuntu at an individual level, ngingasho ukuthi akasebenze ona lama-existing tools ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abenefit from one. So thank you. Yeah, awuthi ngilale-ke manje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Thanks.